Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Instagram app is updated and you've granted microphone and storage permissions. These prevent import errors. Open Reels, import or record your video, then tap the audio button to access songs, saved audio, or your uploads. Once done, preview the track briefly so you know its timing relative to your clip. This early alignment saves time later. It ensures you choose a segment that matches the beat and mood of your footage. Now you'll trim and sync. Select the song segment and drag the waveform to match key visual moments. This gives rhythmic impact. Adjust the music volume under audio controls so dialogue or ambience remains clear, and apply fade in or fade out to avoid abrupt cuts. If you need voiceover, record it and lower the music track beneath it. Make sure clips and audio layers are locked in place before finalizing. This prevents accidental desync when exporting. Finish by previewing the whole reel to confirm timing, volume balance, and any captions align with the music. Post only when it feels cohesive. If you need extra polish, save as a draft and revisit with fresh ears, or export to your device for desktop editing. If audio disappears or won't import, try restarting the app, rechecking permissions, or re-importing a different file format. These fixes resolve most glitches and let you complete the reel confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.